In Delhi, the BJP President Satish Upadhyay, along with other state leaders, have met Home Minister Rajnath Singh and Nitin Gadkari. After the meeting, the Delhi BJP chief said the party is ready for polls, even if they were to happen tomorrow. And if invited to form the government, the BJP will analyze its numbers and take a call accordingly.
राजनाथ जी को मिला हूँ मैं। राजनाथ जी से मिलने का मेरे वो राष्ट्रीय नेता हैं, दिल्ली के हमारे देश के गृह मंत्री हैं। निगम को लेकर के हमारे पास बहुत सारे विषय थे जो पिछले काफ़ी समय से जो दिक्कतें आ रही थी, उसको लेकर के हम मिले हैं। पिछले 15 साल के अंदर लगातार निगम के अधिकारों में जो हनन हुआ है, निगम की जो डिलीवरी मैकेनिज्म है उसको कोलैप्स कर दिया गया, और उस डिलीवरी को ठीक करने के लिए किस तरह से हम गुड गवर्नेंस करें, ये हमारा एक अधिकार है, जिसके कारण से हम चीज़ें नहीं कर पा रहे हैं।
सर जो है वो बहुत सारे लोग ये जानना चाहते हैं कि दिल्ली के अंदर सरकार कब बन रही है।
नहीं, निश्चित रूप से दिल्ली के लोग ये जानना ही चाहते हैं, और उसमें आपके माध्यम से लोगों को ये पता ही चलना चाहिए, उसका कंसर्न है दिल्ली के लोगों का। दिल्ली में एक चुनी हुई सरकार की आवश्यकता है। दिल्ली के लोगों ने वोट दिया था, दिल्ली के बारे में एक सपना दिखाया गया था कि दिल्ली ऐसी होनी चाहिए। दिल्ली में तमाम बुनियादी सुविधाएं हैं, पानी की प्रॉब्लम है, बिजली की प्रॉब्लम है, तमाम तरह के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की प्रॉब्लम है। दिल्ली में स्कूल बढ़ने चाहिए, कॉलेज बढ़ने चाहिए, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों को इस बार के हमारे माननीय वित्त मंत्री हैं, उन्होंने अपने इस बार के बजट में एड्रेस किया है। लेकिन तो भी तमाम विषय वो केवल राज्य सरकार के हैं, उस राज्य सरकार को उन विषयों पर निर्णय लेने हैं।
Sandeep Hokar now joins us from the capital. Sandeep, over the last few days, we've seen lots of claims, counter-claims, accusations, counter-accusations. But is Delhi any closer to getting a government?
Well, I think eventually the central government, the central leadership of the BJP will have to take a view on this. But quite clearly, there are two opinions within the BJP. One opinion which was actually led by this gentleman, Mr. Upadhyay, Satish Upadhyay, who's the Delhi BJP chief. Many of them believe that they should have a shot at forming the government without seeking a fresh election, and that was the thought earlier, that they should try and somehow cobble up the numbers and prove their majority if they get an invitation from the Lieutenant Governor, Mr. Najib Jung. To which, of course, there was a lot of protests. There were accusations that the BJP is trying to buy off AAP MLAs, Congress MLAs. Various figures were quoted, all of which, of course, was rejected. And in fact, one of the BJP MLAs, Mr. R.P. Singh, even has filed or threatened to file a defamation against Mr. Kejriwal. The other view within the BJP, and that's a fairly sort of formidable section within the BJP led by Dr. Harshvardhan, is that there's no question of cobbling up the numbers, somehow managing the numbers and forming a government. It's not just restricted to BJP in Delhi, but it'll have its impact even in other assembly elections, states like Haryana and Maharashtra that goes to polls in October, November. So it wouldn't send the right signal if you somehow, as they say, jor tor ki rajniti, take a few MLAs from here, get a few MLAs from there, and somehow prove your majority on the floor of the House. So Rajnath Singh was actually forced to give that statement that BJP doesn't believe in horse trading. And this is a very strong view. So what has really changed is the following, Amitabh, that on Friday, Mr. Jaitley gave a populist budget for Delhi because it's under central rule. So the Union Finance Minister presented the budget for Delhi, and he's given several SOPs like subsidy for power users, for consumers. That should bring the power bill down. SOPs for colleges and school, working women hostel. So all these things have been mentioned in his budget. So now the Delhi unit of BJP, or many within the Delhi BJP, believe that they have something to go to the people with. They have a populist budget and they should perhaps seek fresh elections. So view seems to be converging towards this view. But eventually, as I said, a final view can be taken only at the level of the Prime Minister or BJP President.